Don't push the button. It's from Bill Cotter and published by Sources Publishing. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push that button. So here's Larry. He's a little blue monster thing. And on the other page, the left page, is the button, which we're apparently not supposed to press. So I guess I'm gonna do whatever he says. It's his book after all. Seriously, don't even think about it. I wasn't going to. Chill. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Should I press the button? I don't know. No, we can't. We mustn't. All right. What did you say, Larry? Psst. No one is looking. No one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Okay. Okay, Larry. I'll push the button. It is your book, after all. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Oh my gosh, Larry. You turned yellow. You look like a banana. Maybe if I press the button, it'll fix it. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Okay, Larry, chill. Chill. Fix the button. Ah. Now there's two of me. Push the button a bunch of times. Okay, man. What could go wrong there? Ooh. Ooh. Apparently, a lot to go on there. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay. He's telling me to shake the book, so. I shook the book. Almost. A little more. Hey, it's actually working. It says to shake it a little bit more, so. I think I shook it enough. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now, it says to tickle Larry's tummy to bring him back to normal. Right? I'm gonna scratch your tummy now, Larry. That tickles. Okay, that's better. Let's never push that button again. I'll say. That was crazy. But that was kind of fun, though. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Okay, whatever you say, Larry. It is your book, after all. I think we have a big problem with a giant-sized Larry on our hands. But that's the end of the book. Thanks for listening.